Is this weighted vest going to be worth it for your workouts in 2026? I'm going to break everything down for you. For myself, I ended up going with the 12-pound option. I do like it a lot. It adds a little bit more weight to all my workouts that I do, including like treadmill walking or just hiking. Perfect weight for me. Really comfortable, not hard at all, especially when wrapped around the shoulders area. It also is adjustable in the front too, so you can adjust the strap. Each side of the vest also does have these reflective strips, so if you're going to be using this at night, whether it's walking, running, or just doing a workout in general, these will reflect on light so people can see you better. It also does come with this little phone holder slash bag, which has 2 zipper pouches, and that just goes right on the arm. So basically the top one can hold a phone up to, I believe, like a Pro Max, so if you have a bigger phone, it will definitely fit. Zip that up, and then of course you have that extra pocket there if you need to put anything else, and you can zip those up and you have extra storage when running or doing your workouts. And then if you look on the back, not only do you have more reflective stripes on there, but you also do have more storage. There's actually a big mesh pocket there too. But overall, I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for a weighted vest. Really comfortable, like I mentioned, it has everything you need. I love that it has a ton of storage options too. It is really nice to have the phone holder. I do use that a lot. I would definitely recommend just choosing the best weight option for you. I went with the 12-pound one. It's perfect for me. Adds a lot more burn to my workouts, especially when I walk on the treadmill. So overall, would definitely recommend this in 2026.